Alright, so I'm moving in 3 days, and I have too many things. And part of my goals for the next couple months is to get rid of a lot of my things. So, that pile of clothes is gonna be handled. This pile of crap is gonna be handled. This, I don't even want to look in here. Oh, this is all gonna be handled. What do you think? Newest fitness apparel trend of 2018, or did we fly a little too close to the sun? I think we could rock it. Got a little nip peeking out over there. I think. Oh yeah. Very, very wearable. I think I'll wear this to the gym today. I was cleaning out my clothes and I found this old hoodie that obviously I have no emotional attachment to. It was like a $4 Walmart hoodie, and I was like, oh, I've seen sleeveless hoodies from like fitness brands and stuff. Wonder what all the fuss is about, and you know, it's pretty cool. I see why they sell them. It's pretty cool stuff. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh, perfect. Guys, the new Thrive apparel hoodie launch will be live this Saturday. We've got the featured slightly cut in shoulders, the straight down the middle chest with just enough nip exposure. We've even got, our suppliers have put in the highest amount of craft. We can pop it right here, little mini pocket. You know, we just really pride ourselves in working with the highest quality manufacturers and suppliers. We've really nailed the measurements this time just to get the perfect aesthetic. You know, just the right amount of, you know, a little bit more on this side than this side. We really just want to provide you guys with the best possible product. Again, just one more. Look at that. We're loaded up. About to take those bad boys in. Ooh, like the Emperor down here. An ND filter, here we go. There I am. I'm back. Headed back in. Watch out for Spider Kingdom. Duck and cover. Okay, so for the rest of the day, I'm gonna take those bad boys to Goodwill, St. Vincent de Paul or something. Probably gonna snag some food. Then if I have time, I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm also gonna edit up this video you're watching here. We've also got a little update on the Instagram monetization process. We have got our ask campaign out. I'll overlay some clips of exactly what I had my friend post to her page. And she just posted it, and we've already gotten some great responses. Here is what she posted to her story.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Tuesday is usually my Monday because I don't work on Mondays. Yesterday I actually went for a ride, which was awesome. Thank you to everyone who's been following me this long. Little girl from Wisconsin, and somehow I already have 10,200 some followers, which is crazy and awesome. So I do have a super big important question for all of you guys, for my followers. I've been looking at my page, trying to figure out what direction I'm going with it, what I'm doing, what my purpose or motivation.
Boom, here it is, the ask campaign. They're gonna type in the stuff right there, and then we're gonna get answers, and we are going to make the products. I'll keep updating those, and by the end of the video, we'll have the next step of action in place, and I'm gonna keep reading the ask book as well to keep that process going. This next part of the video is a tribute to a concept known as peak summer freedom. Enjoy it. out here in the trenches on the Instagram DM hustle. Spent the last like hour and a half messaging people in my area on my business Instagram page. Been following the Gary V strategy. I'll link this article in my description. It's definitely worth trying. I've been meaning to spend more time every day on the Instagram direct message to try to get video clients. So I got that done. I've also been reading up on this book to kind of get that strategy moving along. What I've done so far, actually, I can show you guys. I have, so we got our responses to that, that initial ask survey a couple days ago. And what I've done is I have divided up the answers into different buckets, they call them in the book, but like kind of just overarching categories that each response kind of fell into. So our question, remember, was it was just kind of, it was real general. It was, why do you follow me? And it was on an Instagram story question ask thing. So it did get quite a few responses, but it was also only up for 24 hours. So it didn't get loads and loads of responses, but it got enough to really kind of categorize a lot of messages into different categories. The first category of follower I divided was people that follow my friend because they're like her. They admire her because they're like her. They are also a motorcycle chick or a young parent or just, you know, a cool chick to follow. And the biggest category I kind of found was admiration of her content and her message. Riding a motorcycle is scary. It's badass. It's something people admire. And then there was kind of just people that like motorcycles. So just, you know, dudes following the page that is a chick with a motorcycle, I guess, you know. So I'll show you here a clip here of, these are the answers. As you can see, pretty general, pretty definitely, focus. Definitely gives us a place to go from, though, for this campaign. And I'll update you guys on the next step shortly. Guys, I'm gonna finish this video right here. Sorry if there's any background noise, but I just want to get something out. It's been about 2 weeks since I posted a YouTube video, so feel kind of bad about that. I've been moving. We got boxes on the floor. I'm gonna make a video about this new apartment because it's a key aspect of the narrative that is my life. But if you're interested in what I was talking about for that Instagram page earlier, I actually made a video about it a couple weeks ago. It's the previous video on my channel. I'll link it up here if you want to check it out. But that kind of explains the story behind the progress that I'm giving you updates on. But other than that, yeah, if you're interested in entrepreneurship, in social media, digital marketing, videography, just hustle. Just out there in the trenches, hustling it, trying to make it happen. Give me a subscribe. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys very shortly. Thank you again for watching. Peace.